Hey everyone, Jesse Garcia with Zippy. So really quick, I heard today, I live in Sacramento, California, and I heard today that Zillow Offers is now in our area. And I've been hearing the industry from a professional standpoint have mixed feelings about the Zillow Offers, the offer pad, the open doors. And for me, I've been a realtor for 14 years, and to me, it seems like not everyone, a lot of people are going crazy. Like Cyberdyne has invented Skynet and it's become self-aware now, and people are getting freaked out because the industry is getting taken over by machines. In my opinion, it's simply not the case. And Amazon still needs people. Uber, Lyft still need people. DoorDash still need people. Like, no matter what, these companies that are innovating technology are, yes, making things more convenient, more streamlined, more transparent, better communication. So from a real estate professional standpoint, what is that telling me? We need to add more value. We need to add more transparency. We need to have better communication. So we need to provide more convenience. So it's not saying that we're eliminating people from the equation. People are still very much involved. It depends on how much involvement you want to be a part of that to add the value. And I think right now we're focusing, and I say we in a holistic standpoint, is we're focusing so much on the wrong things right now versus allowing technology to help us evolve to a better industry to provide convenience, transparency, better communication, streamlined processes, because I believe that is what the end consumer is wanting, because it's proven. Every other industry is proving that is helping their business model. And I think in real estate, it doesn't necessarily mean that the realtor is going to be out of a job. It will mean that if the realtors, the brokers, everyone involved in the transaction is not going to evolve, get better, and learn new ways and adapt to technology, I think that if you are on board and you are learning, you are willing to adapt, you are willing to evolve your systems, your processes, and adapt and adopt this technology, it's only going to make you better. It just depends on how you are adopting it, how you're implementing it. So I think that if we stop freaking out again, like the Cyberdyne, the Skynet is taking over the industry, we learn how to utilize this technology for our clients' benefit and to help us in our own businesses. And I think that's the direction we're going. I still very much believe that realtors, brokers are very much going to be a part of the equation for a very long time. And I think that just like in Terminator, it took humans to develop this technology for Skynet to become self-aware and create backlash and turn on the human race. So essentially, we're making the technology to do this if we allow it to. So if we allow it to take over our jobs, which a lot of the industry was trying to do over the past decade, was to create technology to do the things we absolutely didn't want to do, then yeah, it's going to take over because you're putting it on technology to do your job. But if you utilize technology to support your business, not do your job, those are two different things. And I think that the more we understand that and learn that and adopt the technology and evolve with it, it's only going to make this industry 100 times better. So completely random thought as I'm sitting here, I'm going through social media, I'm reading news articles, and it just dawned on me where I'm like, we need to take a step back and really look at technology that's truly advancing the industry. Look at technology that's not just advancing the real estate industry, but other industries, and look what it's doing for them and go, great, let's figure out what's working, what's not, and make it better. But overall, the end result is what's best for the consumer, what's best for the home buyer, what's best for the home seller, what's best for the investor, what's best for our client. And once we can really adapt and learn what that is, then we will be unstoppable. We will be irreplaceable. And that's what I think the industry is so concerned about is technology going to replace us? I don't believe that's going to be true anytime in the near future. Again, these major corporations that have adopted and evolved with incredible technology still require humans. So, all right guys, hope this helps.